So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your USB tethering not working and it is only charging, and I will show you this step by step. So as you can see here, USB tethering is currently grayed out, but if I enter in my charger, what you'll notice is that I've got this enabled. So to be able to enable this, if this is not working for you, what we need to do is first of all, I will remove the charger and then you can then add on all the way back and then we can then open up our settings. From here, the first thing that we need to do is go to About Phone, and then you want to scroll down and select Software Information, and then you want to go to Build Number, and then you want to click this 7 times. Once you do this, you may need to enter in your password, and then you will then enable Developer Mode, and then we can then go back and then head over to our Developer Mode here, which will be now shown at the bottom after doing the first step. So click on Developer Options, and then from here, what we now need to do is we need to scroll down until we see the option for tethering hardware acceleration. So if you then scroll down and find tethering hardware acceleration, you want to first of all toggle this option on here, and then you want to then click on default USB configuration. Once we do this, if we then select the option for USB tethering, which will then enable the setting here, and then we can then add on all the way back. And then if we go over now to our settings and go back over to our connections and mobile hotspot and tethering, what we can do is put the charger into the USB here, into the charger port. And then as you can see, once you do that, USB tethering will then be enabled and you will be able to use it as normal. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix USB tethering not working and only charging your device.